Good morning, folks. We're here on this beautiful Friday. Just wanted to show y'all a little piece of landscaping that we're going to demo. As you can see right here, right behind me, it's got some old mulch in this. Going to leave the emeralds. We're going to get rid of the snowballs. Going to leave the Asian hollies. Going to get some weeds gone, trim her down. Another snowball. Another huge snowball. Going to get the monkey grass. These two hollies right here are going to be transplanted into a different position. This emerald's going to stay. This one is going to be repositioned. This one is going to be extracted. As you can see over here, this one is going to stay. And these tall grass plants are going to be extracted. And this emerald, what's left of it, is going to stay. So guys, just stay with us in the video. We'll just set it up and y'all can watch us extract all this and get everything cleaned up. All right, guys, you can see behind us, got two of them out, which is probably more than two. One last one over here of the crabgrass, or the monkey grass, as you can call it. Y'all can see over here how much this kind of opened this area up. See if we can get this last one out right here. It's gonna be a beautiful rainy day, folks. What's your thoughts about today?
It's wet. I look like a Oompa Loompa.
Yeah. Do the doobity-doo dance.
I had to think about it.
clear this little area right here. As you can see, it's got quite a bit of accumulation in here. It's gonna make a big old mess, but we'll get it cleaned up, make it looking good. The plan is for today is to get all of this area cleaned up and ready for mulch and edging. Edging and stuff is not going over here. We're doing the edging on this far side of the house, kind of right here, just kind of around this emerald and to the point of the corner of the house, just to give this some good showcase. But we'll work on this and try to get this cleaned out for you guys. All right, folks. Well, we got quite a bit done today. Like I said, we got kind of wet, but thanks to the Frogg Toggs, they are lovely. They're not too bulky, they're not too thick, they don't make you feel like a big snowman. Hey, if you ain't using them, you better get some, because I use them out here in the landscaping world. I use them on the boat when I'm fishing, you know, out in the wood, anywhere I can use them. They're, you know, they're not thermalized or anything on the inside, but hey, they keep the wind blocked. They're really good. I'm dry. This is exactly what I had on under. I'm a little wet right here because I had my hood down and stuff, but other than that, it's been a pretty good day. Got all this done within a few hours, but I want y'all to take a look from earlier. So this is what we left with. We still got to do some cleaning up over here. We've got spray in here to kill off all the weeds and stuff, because the residents wants to leave what's here. They just want to top this, put some edging and stuff on this side, you know, just to fill it in, just to give it some curb appeal. As you've seen earlier, all the snowballs are gone, thank the Lord. Replaced this holly. They were sitting recently over here. Both of these were, this one and this one. This one, the resident wanted in the corner. This one to fill in the space up here. Like I said, this will fill the void of the corner. There was monkey grass and a snowball right here. Two of them actually, that was just too busy right here in this corner. Now a good focal point will be the good landscape. You can actually see the facing of the house, the front porch area. Still a little bit of debris that needs to be dealt with right here. Like I said, as earlier, that shrub, the emerald is, or that tree and emerald is staying. Again, over here, got some spray on this. This is going to have to sit for a few days to let that soak in really good. On this side, we are doing some more emeralds. We're going to create kind of an arch to tie into this one, just to kind of follow the path of the driveway. I'll get over here and you can see kind of how the driveway flows. As you can see, it just kind of slightly bends and then rounds on the end, so the residence wants you know, the emeralds to kind of match, just to kind of give it some feature. Nothing too busy. We're going to get some 7-footers that are basically like this one. This one is 7 foot tall, and that way this will fill in the void, give this a good area. This is getting some black mulch back on top of this. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. Like I said, stay tuned for part 2. There may be possibly a part 3. We'll just see how this stuff goes and see how many videos we can make this. But as again, guys, this is Lucky 7 Landscaping. Like I said, feel free to check out our website, lucky7landscaping.com. Find us on social media, Lucky 7 Lawn Landscaping and Cleaning Services. Same thing on Instagram. Like I said, look us up, guys. Stay tuned. Part 2 coming up. Good.